Hey guys, I have to do this. I typically don't do repeat videos of food reviews, but when it comes out just amazing, sometimes it just compels me to do it. Here's Mercy over here.
Hi.
Guess where we're at? She's mesmerized by the food.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Look, we are at the VFW, one of our favorite spots, one of our top 10s.
Yes.
Got to show you this tenderloin sandwich
Look at
today,
that.
guys. We got to show you.
I was like, how am I going to eat
Turn
all
that
these?
plate around. Here's the tenderloin sandwich, guys. Oh my gosh.
Huge. That's what
So
three sandwiches.
that's 2 or 3 sandwiches worth of meat right there. That's why we come to the VFW and get tenderloin sandwiches right here. We said, you know what? Let's go have as a sandwich today at the VFW. Now, here's my sandwich, and it's nothing. That's nothing to cry about. Hers was extra large. Mine's just large. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I got double meat on here. Check that out. Oh my gosh.
Our friend is like,
Look at this. Look at this meat. Oh my gosh. I need another bun, please. I'm going to eat 2 sandwiches today. Oh, anyway, had to break this out on you. This is awesome. This is why we have the tenderloin sandwich at the VFW. Delicious. So I just stacked mine. I'm going to do a Dagwood. Mercy said she's just going to eat half of her meat. And she'll probably eat half for later or something.
yes.
Maybe have another sandwich at home, which I could do that as well, but I'm just going for it. I'm Dagwooding mine up. I'm going to load it up with all the goodies that I like. You know, it ain't nothing. It's just not, I got this messed up. I got to go onions first. Tenderloin sandwich for me has to have these items right here. The uncooked raw onion on here, just like that. Then the tomato, just like that. And then the lettuce. That's a sandwich, guys, right there. Man, oh man. How am I going to eat this?
You're going to eat on the Christmas again, Papi.
How am I going to put that in there? That's going to go in my belly. I might have to smash it. Let's see if it smashes at all. It'll smash a little bit. That is one tight sandwich right there. I do. That's you. You're my extra mouth. Oh, look at what she's doing here. She went the lettuce, onion first. Oh, she built it upside down.
Yeah, that's
She
the
did
way.
an upside down build.
That's the way.
You had this weird technique going on here.
Weird.
So you only used part of your onions, just a few, huh?
Yeah. I mean,
All
they're
right.
strong.
Did you already mayonnaise that up? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, let's see how it looks. Great. The quantity is great. Let's see how it tastes today. Is it the same as it always is? Let's taste this pork.
God, look at this.
Look at that. Is it tenderloin?
It's tender.
It's tender.
Good flavor.
Oh yeah.
It's crispy.
There we go. All right, let's see. Oh, you gotta have the pickle. Pickle is necessary. Dill pickle with this. Raw onions, dill pickle, and mayonnaise. Dill pickle mayonnaise is that's the secret. All right. Let's see what we got here. I didn't do any mayonnaise on mine, so I gotta do that.
Oh, yeah. Mayo is first thing.
Gotta do the mayo. Whoop. Let's mayo that up. There we go. Oh, well, everything's falling off. It's hard to keep it on a sandwich this size.
Holy.
I'm gonna double up right here too.
Yeah, that's what I
A little
did.
bit on the bun too. There we go. All right, let's see what this is all about right here. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. This is, you know, they just need a little bigger bun. Man.
Told you it's good. Look at that. Double meat, triple
That
meat.
is a great tasting sandwich.
Triple stack.
Man. Killer. Oh my goodness. I am to the end of this, believe it or not. Can't eat all these fries though. It's not gonna happen.
No, don't eat them.
Killer sandwich. Mercy's taking half of her meat.
I can't eat that much, baby.
That's a sandwich for later.
Oh, yeah.
Tell you what, if I owned a restaurant here, this would be on my menu. Matter of fact, what would you think about if I had a restaurant here, I had my top 10 restaurants on the menu at my restaurant. That way you can just come to my place, eat the whole top 10 in one spot. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Sounds like a good idea to me.
Sounds like, yes. Good idea, baby.
This will be on there. This tenderloin,
Of course.
tenderloin sandwich
Has to be
will
there.
on there for sure. This is excellent.
Delicious.
All right, guys, as always, we have the damages. 890 pesos, $15.70 US at today's conversion rate. What a great deal for 2 people to eat. 15 bucks, 16 almost, but
We will have an extra sandwich for baby.
oh my gosh, well, Mercy will, because she had a big piece of that meat left over. All right, guys, again, we have to repeat some of these when they're really that good. We got to show you. But we're off to the market. We got to pick a few things. All right, guys, there we go. VFW again. We're gonna head down the street. We got to buy a few veggies at the market. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thanks for all your comments, all your thumbs up. Tell everybody about us. Spread the word.
Yes, share, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, I just said all that.
I just want to repeat it.
Oh, okay.
Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.
See you guys.
See you next time.
See you on the next one.
ya.